Unboxing Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i. So I have ordered it in Best Buy. You can see it has been given to me in a box. So let's open and see it. Okay. So there is the booklet for instructions, and there is a safety information booklet, and lenovo.com/Lenovo RI edition. Let's see the box on the right here. This looks like the box with the charger. Yeah. So there is a charger here. I don't know why these white spots are here on the wire. This doesn't look very clean. But these are going away. the laptop. Let's open. Okay, this has a very good look. I think this is on this side. Very nice grayish look. And this is the one you can see here. Get the best from your PC with Lenovo services. We're thrilled that you choose a Lenovo PC. Enhance PC performance and protection with Lenovo's full line of premium services and enjoy 15% discount when you upgrade your warranty. This is how it looks. Okay, overall it looks good. Support Intel Core, NVIDIA GeForce RTX Studio. Good closing. Okay, 5MP IR camera and 4 voice ID mix. So this one doesn't go full 360 degree. This one can go up to 180. You can see that. 180 degree. Okay, let's see on the back side. This is how it looks. This is how it looks on the back side. Right. That's it, guys. Thank you.